Machine learning and data science are already the hottest fields in the world, and it's time to turn it up a notch. Welcome to the hottest place to learn PyTorch and become a master of deep learning. If you don't already know what PyTorch is, here's the deal. PyTorch is a machine learning framework written in Python code. It enables you to craft state-of-the-art deep learning algorithms like neural networks powering much of today's artificial intelligence applications. Sounds hot, right? That's because PyTorch is on fire right now. And I don't just mean the name or the logo. It's used by leading tech companies like Tesla to build the computer vision systems for their self-driving cars, Meta to power the curation and understanding systems for their content timelines, Apple to create computationally enhanced photography, and even automated weed-killing tractors. Plus, much of the latest machine learning research is done and published using PyTorch code. So knowing how to write and read PyTorch code means you'll be at the cutting edge of the field. You know the best way to learn is by doing, right? Well, consider this course a PyTorch momentum builder. Side by side, line by line, we'll be writing PyTorch code together apprenticeship style, helping you learn the PyTorch skills you'll use every day as a data scientist or a machine learning engineer. We'll start with the bare-bone fundamentals, so even if you're new to machine learning, you'll be caught up to speed. Then, we'll explore more advanced areas including PyTorch workflows, PyTorch neural network classification, computer vision, custom datasets, experiment tracking, model deployment, and my personal favorite, transfer learning. A powerful technique for taking what one machine learning model has learned on another problem and applying it to your own. Along the way, you'll build 3 milestone projects surrounding an overarching project called Food Vision, a neural network computer vision model to classify images of food. These milestone projects will help you practice using PyTorch whilst covering important machine learning concepts and create a portfolio you can show to employers and say, here's what I've done. By the end of this course, you'll have a vast amount of hands-on experience with PyTorch and will be comfortable interacting with public PyTorch projects, building your own PyTorch projects, and accelerating your career in the wonderful world of machine learning. And silly me, I almost forgot to introduce myself. I'm Daniel Burke, your PyTorch instructor. I'm a self-taught machine learning engineer with experience at one of Australia's fastest growing artificial intelligence companies. And now I teach the latest in-demand machine learning skills to thousands of students across the globe. In this course, we're going to learn to master PyTorch together. I want you to be able to think and work through machine learning problems like a machine learning engineer does. So when it comes time to apply your new skills as a machine learning engineer, you've already had plenty of practice. Because that's the goal, right? If you want to learn the skills required for a career in machine learning, if you want to learn the most popular machine learning framework used by companies like Tesla and Apple, if you like to learn by doing, if you'd like to master PyTorch, you've come to the right place. I'll see you inside. Let's code.